Drowning in Klarna payments and ready to cut the cord? I'm here to help. First, open the Klarna app on your phone. It's usually a bright pink or purple icon. Now, look for My Klarna, typically found at the bottom of the screen or in the side menu. Tap on it. You should see a list of your purchases made through Klarna. Find the specific purchase you want to cancel payments for. Tap on that purchase. On the purchase details page, look for options like report a problem or possibly return. This is where things can vary slightly depending on the specific purchase and retailer. Select the option that best describes your situation, such as I want to cancel the order, or I returned the item. Klarna will guide you through the next steps. Follow Klarna's instructions. They may require you to contact the retailer directly to process a refund or cancellation. Keep all communication with the retailer handy. And that's it. By following these steps and communicating clearly with Klarna and the retailer, you can successfully cancel those unwanted Klarna payments. Good luck.